How much does an electrician make in Greece? On average, an electrician in Greece earns around $22,200 a year. That's the average electrician salary in Greece before tax, but tax takes a share, so your electrician income after tax drops to $16,600. This leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $1,383 each month. You'll bring home noticeably more if you work in a major hub like Athens, where the same role earns $19,500 after tax. Pay is higher there, but higher rent in the city often takes away that advantage, which is why living outside the capital can still be a smart choice. When starting out, your electrician wages will be well below this average, though pay goes up quickly as you gain skills over your first few years. That growth can slow down later unless you step up your qualifications. Having a college degree or formal vocational diploma adds a lot of value because it helps you move out of standard site work into higher paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, learning specialized skills like industrial automation or solar installation adds extra value, so specialized workers usually command a substantially higher income. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Greece over a full career, extra training is key. That's what drives average electrician pay up over time.